welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 170th Street. Today I have a 2025 Lexus RX 350 Hybrid in eminent white pearl. This is the executive package. Under the hood you have a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. This vehicle comes with triple beam headlamps as well as headlamp washers, 21-inch high alloy wheels, and keyless entry into the vehicle. On your door panel you have your power windows, side mirrors, and door lock. Beside your steering wheel you have your gas and trunk button as well as your memory seats. Underneath is a coin compartment. You have peppercorn interior throughout with 14-way power driver's seat and 2-way lumbar support. You have a leather wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, hands-free controls, and cruise control. You have your multi-information display as well as a heads-up display. You have a touchscreen infotainment center that has your radio, media, navigation, climate controls, as well as Lexus interface where you can say, "Hey Lexus," and request any command. Down below you have your park assist and panoramic view monitor buttons. You have USB-C charging ports as well as a hidden compartment with your wireless charging pad, gear shifter, and cup holders. Above you have your sunroof controls as well as your sunglasses holder. Your center console opens from either driver's side or passenger side. In the backseat center console you have an extra compartment as well as your cup holders. In front of that you have your rear seat climate controls with heated and ventilated seat options as well as USB-C charging ports. Your rear seats are power folding and reclining. You have a spacious trunk with a trunk cover, and to the left you have your power folding options for your rear seats. Underneath you have your spare tire and tools. Your trunk is power closing from a push of a button or simply by kicking your foot under the trunk and it will open or close automatically. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.